Hello everyone, my name is Dom, and today we will be talking about Gestalt. So Gestalt is a psychological term that hypothesizes that people tend to organize visual elements into groups or unified wholes when certain principles are applied. The theory was developed by German psychologists in the 1920s. Gestalt literally means to unified whole. So what are some general rules of Gestalt theory? So 1, objects will be perceived in their simplest form. 2, humans will naturally follow lines or curves. And 3, the mind will attempt to fill in detail that isn't actually there. Basically, according to Gestalt psychology or Gestalt theory, is that it proposes the whole is different from the sum of its parts. There are several principles of Gestalt, but today we will be talking about 3 of them. The first one is continuation. Continuation occurs when the eye is compelled to move through one object and into another object. As mentioned from my source, this is often used in typography-based logos. So let me just pull up my example. So this is the Amazon logo. An example we could use is the Amazon logo. Connecting the A to Z using the arrow here is basically implying that they have everything you need from A to Z. The end or tail of this A, you see that, goes all the way or continues to the bottom letter of the Z, compelling the relationship between A and Z of Amazon. So next we will be talking about similarity. Similarity occurs when objects look similar from one another, as simple as that. The viewer will perceive them as a group or pattern. Similarities could be in shape, color, texture, or any other design element. Now, if we take a look at the NBC logo, we can instantly see the similarity or understand the relationship of the shapes here. So that's an example of similarity. Okay, the last one that I will be talking about is symmetry. Symmetry is pretty simple as well. These are elements that are symmetrical to each other that tends to be perceived as a unified group, usually can occur in one design. Now, if we take a look at the logo of the Starbucks, okay, there is an invisible vertical line here running down the logo of Starbucks. The left side is exactly the same as the right side. So now you may be asking, why is Gestalt so important for designers? When Gestalt principles are ignored, designs can look out of place, chaotic, or incomplete, forcing our eyes to focus on little inconsistencies rather than a unified whole. Exploring the psychological aspect of design helps determine the most effective design elements in a situation and allows designers to focus on certain points that lead to behavioral change. Any design that can give more meaning to the chaotic world will be much more successful. So that is all for my report for Gestalt, and I hope you guys have a great day and learn something too. Okay, bye!